And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's bitterly cold tonight. There are the current wind chills. Even down at Frankfort, the wind chills 12 below zero. 12 below zero Attica as well as the Purdue Airport. It feels like minus 11 Crawfordsville and 12 below zero at Kentland, with those temperatures generally running in the single digits area wide, and still a pretty brisk breeze from the west-northwest, sustained as high as 18 miles an hour. So the wind chill advisory is right up to the state line, but I can tell you, given the wind chills tonight, especially over the kind of the northwestern half of the viewing area, I would consider a chunk of this moving into our area. So officially it's the state line, but just know that tomorrow morning the wind chills are going to be dangerously low. So be aware if the kids got to be at the bus stop or you've got to be doing any sort of outdoor work early tomorrow morning. Tonight we've got some cloudiness around our area. There was the big snowstorm that was off to our south. We've got some bits of flurries and patchy light snow around with this Arctic air mass, and some of this is attributed to Lake Michigan a little bit. And we'll have some bits of glittery, grainy snow around even into very early tomorrow morning. It's hard to pick up on radar because the flakes are very small, very grainy. So in a radius around the Indianapolis radar site, they show up, these little streamers of snow showers, but they don't show up as well away from the radar. You can see the snow showing up here near the northern Indiana radar site. And of course, there's the lake effect, but they don't show up as much in our area because we're far away from the radar beam. They're just so tiny, but there's some out there right as we speak. I saw some coming back into work a little earlier. So we'll keep that in the forecast for the night. Those wind chills, though, Greater Lafayette down to 17 below. If you live out towards Octagon, Montmorency, northwest part of Tippecanoe County, it'll be about 20 below zero wind chills. And there's the low right around zero with the west-northwest wind continuing. There are the lows, -5 to 4 area-wide. Coldest in the northwest and warmest, if you want to call it that, here in the far eastern counties. And there are the wind chills. Again, the worst over here in our northwestern half with 24 below, 20 below, 18 below zero out in that zone. Tomorrow we'll hit late day highs of 10 to 17 with winds out of the west-southwest. And after a few glittery flakes in the morning, then it's just partly cloudy. And finally, we'll get the wind chills above zero by about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There are the highs, area-wide, 10 Morocco to 15 Flora. We'll get up to about 15 at Delphi, and late-day wind chills 2 below zero to 5 above. Saturday, the wind cranks up, but remember, the wind's blowing off snowpack to our south, so it's not going to warm up that much. 35, at least a little above freezing, increasing clouds, gusts more than 40 miles an hour at times. Couple bits of sleet possible in the evening. There are the highs 31 to 36. And then Sunday, a little rain, sleet, freezing rain, snow in the morning, and then a few flurries and light snow showers. Windy, winds gusting more than 40, and will drop to 19. So falling temperatures on Sunday, and the wind chills on the way down too, below zero to single digits as more Arctic air comes in. Here's Futurecast. Again, the clouds, the flakes tonight, the partly cloudy skies tomorrow. I want to go to Saturday evening because we're going to see some freezing rain come up from the southwest, and the greatest potential of getting a little bit of icing is north of Highway 18, but even towards Lafayette and Frankfort, brief bout of freezing rain, sleet early, then it's some rain before it ends as a little sleet and snow early on Sunday morning. Normal high 33, below normal 15 Friday, mid-30s Saturday, 37, then falling on Sunday, 15 Monday, and then a little bit of a warm up next week.